Wow, they are 4 weeks old today. It's a wonderful day. The journey has been so interesting for the past 4 weeks, and we started with 150 birds, and now we still have the same 150 birds, and they're all doing well, healthy. We talk about zero mortality, and now we still have them 150 birds intact. And as you can see, they are doing well, they are growing based on maintenance and management. Management is very important in any pen, and when you are able to do the needful, you surely get a good result. And there's one thing we did here. We did what we call settings, and that setting has to do with you sort out the male from the female. So we have more of the male here, and you all know that the male are more bigger than the female. So right here we have 150 birds still remaining, and that is what we started with, and then we still maintain that, and you can see that they are doing well, they are doing good, and they are fine at the situation may be. For you to know that they are doing well, let's try to confirm their conditions, and something must have made their conditions to be what they are. Are you happy today, birds? You are hungry, you want me to feed you? Not now. The time has not come for you to eat. You've eaten the first batch of the feeding, and don't worry, the next batch will take place very soon. So from your crop we can still see you have something in there. Yeah, at least you are well fed right now. You are well fed. Have your moment. So they are 4 weeks old today, and then very soon they'll be moving to another level. From 4 weeks, your chickens will start consuming more feed, they will start drinking more water, and you have to increase their intake at all times. So this is when you will know what you are spending money for, and this is what you know how you will manage your pen, because the discharge will increase because they will consume more feed, and then their poo will definitely increase. So you have to get prepared for it so that you not have issues, you not lose your birds, but you maintain your zero mortality. If you've been following from the onset, from the day one of when we started, that was about 4 weeks ago, then if you follow all the principles, all the guidelines that require, you realize that at the end of it all, you definitely maintain zero mortality. So it's very, very important. Very, very important. So thank you. Appreciate us by liking, subscribing, sharing, and you can place your comments in the comment section. So take care and have a lovely Sunday. Bye bye for now.